The measure value in life is not what you get. The measure value in life is what you become. With that good thought, welcome again in chemistry online class. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. In previous class, we have discussed methods of preparation of dihalogen derivatives. First, we discussed about homework question. Question was identify A and B in the following reaction. Benzyl chloride is treated with aqueous KOH, then a unstable compound A is formed and A is converted into B. So solution is it is benzyl chloride molecule when treated with aqueous KOH. Here in benzyl chloride molecule, two halogen atoms are present, so two molecules of aqueous KOH is participated. After removing of two potassium chloride molecule, then benzyl alcohol is formed, which is unstable because in benzyl alcohol two OH groups are attached on one carbon atom, so it is unstable. After removing of one water molecule like this, then benzyl alcohol is converted into compound B, which is called benzaldehyde. So I hope your answer is right. Let's begin today class. Second chemical properties of dihalogen derivatives is dehydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation. D means remove. Geminal dihalides react with alcoholic KOH, then they formed alkyne. For example, it is a Zam dihalide molecule 1,1-dichloroethane is treated with alcoholic KOH. After removing of two KCl and two water molecules, alkyne is formed here. It is known as ethine. Here 4 sigma bonds cleavaged in 1,1-dichloroethane and 2 pi bonds are formed in product. Similarly, in vicinal dihalide react with alcoholic KOH to form alkyne. For example, it is vicinal dihalide 1,2-dichloroethane is treated with alcoholic KOH. Similarly, after removing of two potassium chloride and two water molecules, alkyne is formed. Here alkyne is ethine. Now next, third chemical properties of dihalogen derivatives, that is dehalogenation. Dehalogenation. When dihalogen derivatives react with zinc, very important. I repeat, when dihalogen derivatives react with zinc metal, then geminal dihalide give double carbon contain alkene, very important. For example, it is geminal dihalide. Here two molecules of gem dihalide are participate, so when gem dihalides react with zinc metal, then double carbon contain alkene is formed. So here alkene is but2ene. but2ene. Here solvent is methanol, CS3OH. In this reaction, two zinc chloride molecules are removed. And vicinal dihalide gives same carbon atom contain alkene, very important. For example, it is vicinal dihalide 1,2-dichloroethane is treated with zinc in presence of methanol, then same carbon contain alkene is formed after removing of zinc chloride molecule. Here alkene is ethene, I repeat, but polymethylene halide gives cycloalkane with zinc after dehalogenation process. Very important for your competition paper. So it is polymethylene halide 1,5-dichloro-pentane treated with zinc. Similarly, after removing of zinc chloride molecule, cyclopentane is formed here. So it is cyclopentane molecule. I repeat, dihalogen derivatives react with zinc, then geminal dihalide give double carbon contain alkene. Vicinal dihalide gives same carbon atom contain alkene, but polymethylene halide gives cycloalkane. Now next, usage of haloalkane or mono and dihalogen derivatives. Usage of haloalkanes or usage of mono and dihalogen derivatives. First use, methyl chloride and ethyl chloride are used as refrigerants and as an anesthetic. Second use, ethyl chloride is used in preparation of TEL, tetraethyl lead, which is anti-knocking agent. We have discussed about TEL in our previous class. Now next use. Many important organic compounds are synthesized by monohalogen derivatives. Fourth is methylene chloride is used as extraction solvents in medicine and food industries. Fifth is methyl chloride and ethyl chloride are used in the preparation of methyl cellulose and ethyl cellulose. Now next, a question for homework. Identify X and Y in the following reaction. Very important question. X, which is vicinal dihalide. When X is, I repeat, X is vicinal dihalide is converted into Y, and Y after complete hydrolysis converted into dicarboxylic compound, which is but 1,4-dioic acid. So I repeat, identify X and Y in the following reaction. Very important. Now next, trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivatives. When 3 hydrogen atoms of alkane are removed by 3 halogen atoms, then obtained compound is known as trihalogen derivatives. For example, CHCl3 chloroform, CHI3 iodoform, etc. These compounds are also known as haloform and they are prepared by haloform reaction. Very important. Haloform reaction. Very important. So we take here haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. Very important reaction for your 12th paper or competition paper. Similarly, compound which have structure A or structure B. I repeat, compound which have A or B structure give haloform reaction. Here R is equal to alkyl group or hydrogen atom. Compounds having structure A on oxidation with halogen changes into structure B. When compounds with structure A or B are heated with halogen and base, then through halogen reaction, formation of haloform occurs. It is known as haloform reaction. In haloform reaction, following steps are involved. Step first. Here, compound having structure A react with X2 after removal of two hydrogen atoms like this, then carbonyl compound having structure B is formed. In step second, here compound B again react with X2, then its trihalo derivatives is formed. In step third, trihalo derivative react with base like NaOH after removal of sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Halo form is obtained. So it is trihalo derivative of structure B compound react with base after removing of sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Halo form is obtained. I hope you liked this video. Please do share all videos in your friend circle. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.